what the other saying, right? That's mostly us. Okay? That's why it's so hard to be a good listener because you only want the center of attraction. You always want to talk. You don't want to listen. We do ourselves welcome and comfortable to fulfill our interest, to seek our own pleasure, to fulfill and what we are really really good and forgiving ourselves. Oh, that's okay. You do wrong, and you're gonna say to yourself, oh, that's okay. It's nothing. You forgive yourself. You praise yourself for all failures and all our weaknesses. So that is human nature. Okay. Come on, show up. Look, 6, 27, 28.
Let me do it.
I'm gonna do
Sino nga, let's see.
I'm doing
This is like a
27.
practice for you to get used to the Bible. Where is it
I
located?
already read one.
That's why I'm doing this. I have it here.
Then why is Mom on her phone?
So I'm practicing the phone. 6, 27 to 28. 6. 6, 6.
Hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa,
27.
whoa. Well, watch with that number, bro.
Okay.
Found it.
Now, go.
What?
Did
Why
you,
is she
did you find it? Did you find
Humans
it?
first.
Did you find it?
Yeah, love
Ah.
your enemies.
Okay,
Sige, go. 27.
But I say to you that listen, love your enemies. No.
Love your enemies.
Wait, restart.
Okay.
Love for enemies. For I say to you that listen, love your enemies. Do good to those who hate you.
28.
Bless them that curse you and pray for them which despitefully use.
And unto him that smiteth. 78 lang? Okay.
Wait, what?
Show it. Come on.
Don't be shy. What? Why did you just do this?
Yeah.
Love your enemies. Is this easy?
No.
It's easy if you
No.
pray for it.
Depending which
See, you put an if. See, you put an if.
That's why you
There's-
pray for
there's
your
a-
enemies.
There's a condition.
What? Do you want to do it? Or you just want to stay not loving your enemies? It's your choice.
It's just depending. Depending.
Okay?
Depends.
So bless those who curse you. Okay? Somebody curse you, bless them. Pray for those who abuse you. Somebody
No.
put you
Abuse
down, pray for them.
Yeah,
Okay?
I can do that.
Mom,
Okay,
no,
Exodus
you can't.
23, 4 and 5. When you come upon your enemies'
Oh,
acts, it says here, read.
Can I see the next one?
When you come upon your enemy's ox
said
or
the next
donkey
one.
going astray, like you have an enemy and his dog is stray, okay? You shall bring it back. So you should bring it back. But what does people? Oh, this is his dog. I will do something about his dog.
Oh, usually people just look the other way.
Or look the other way, ignore it.
I'll keep
I don't care.
It's mine.
Okay?
No.
So,
It's
but
mine.
it means you're disobeying what the Bible said. And remember, the Bible is the best instruction before
Dying.
leaving earth. So, if
Or
you
dying.
don't,
Bible.
if you don't take the instruction,
Take the
you're not
instruction
gonna
before
go
leaving
in the right place.
All I
that
heard
you
was instructions before, so I said dying.
well, that's it. That's it. Well, that's true. That's true. Before dying, okay?
All I heard was
Leaving earth, you
instructions
do that.
before dying.
Okay? When you see a donkey of one hates you lying under its burden or caught in something or bushes, and you will hold him back from setting it free, you must help it to set it free. It's hard.
An A.
Huh? You must help
Hey.
to set it free.
A.
Okay? So it's hard. Oh, I should not do him a favor, but you should because the Bible said it. Okay? If not, if you're not practicing this and you do the other way, you're going on the other place rather than where the Bible is telling you. So, this is just like instruction for you. Okay? Okay, so that is
Oh, I thought that said smile for a second.
Whoever shall smite thee on the right cheek, turn him on the other also. The most demeaning and doubly contentious, arrogant man is to slap you with the back of his hand. That's why Jesus put this. In those times, it's better for you to hit a whip than to slap you with the hand because it's mostly embarrassing. Okay? That's why he put this in the Bible. Who shall ever smite you in the right cheek? What do you think Jesus said? Because a right hand will always smack somebody with the right cheek. So if you always with when they slap you, the right cheek will be hit. That. Okay? That's what I'm practicing the other day.
Hey,
So,
I know, I saw you in the car.
Okay?
I saw you in the car.
So, the right cheek being slapped would mean he was hit. Granted that the most people are right-handed. In other words, when your dignity is taken, like you got embarrassed, when you are disdained, when you are dishonored, because that's a humiliating, when you are demeaned, when you are arrogantly humiliated, let him do it again. That's what it means. It's not like the
Hit him
cheek is
again?
to put. Right?
let him do it again, not
Oh.
you. Don't hit him.
Don't hit him back. Let him do it again to you, to humiliate you. Just don't say anything. Because vengeful is
Good.
mine, for
No.
says the Lord. Right?
Which one is good?
What Jesus is saying is, when someone treats you in a way less than you deserve, when someone takes the right to dignity that you have, like they take credit for what you did. Now that's the thing, eh? Don't retaliate. Be slapped again before you would ever think. Take as much they want to give you, but don't retaliate. If you're worried about your dignity, because you're worried, you get embarrassed, right? Someday you're gonna be a son of God in the image of Jesus Christ, and you're gonna stay that way forever. God's gonna pour all the goodness in you because you don't retaliate. God is collecting it, all that your temper, you control your temper, God will collect it and gonna give you a reward in the end of His great grace on you forever and ever. If you retaliate, you're gonna lose that reward. Okay? That's what it means. Okay? It's easy to retaliate, but remember, if you don't, God is collecting all your rewards to you in the end. So when you in that position, think about that. If I don't retaliate, there's a reward for me because you follow the Bible. Best instruction before.
I,
Okay. Makes
Saving
it work. It will work.
you didn't say basic instructions before.
Hey, the second-
It just says
The
instructions
second illustration of this, sometimes we have to be an anvil. You know what's an anvil?
before. Yes.
Heavy.
Heavy metal. What do you do with that?
Craft.
Craft. You hit and then that's like it's absorb all the force. Okay? So the anvil, while a bad men are hammers. The bad men are the hammers, they do bad. You're the anvil, you absorb it. Okay? And that's true. Sometimes people are gonna take advantage of us. People are gonna take advantage of you. People are gonna humiliate you. People are gonna take credit for you. Like you have the credit, they're gonna take it from you. Okay? If any man will sue you with the law and take away thy coat, let him have thy cloak also. So what does it mean?
Just give him everything.
So that's what like we understand. Look, if somebody has come to this situation is like you go to the court and you lose in the court. For example, you lose. Okay, you have to give him your shirt because, for example, he wants something from you and he win. So you're gonna give him. Don't be angry. Don't be bitter. Don't retaliate. Show him that you are really sorry. You say sorry that it's ever happened because she or he got mad at you and saw you in the court. Show him you're magnanimous, that you love. You got left to keep you warm. Your lasting, your everything of you, you give it to him. Your security, your cloak, but you're willing to give him that too. Now, that shocked him because he wants the shirt. You give him the coat. Well, then what's gonna happen to them? Oh, this guy is like, I take his shirt and she's gonna give my coat too. She's gonna be shocked because you show the love of Christ. Okay? To love your enemy, bless them, curse them, to curse you, and do good to them. They curse you and you do good to them. What will appear? They're gonna hate that. Because they could do bad to you and you could do good in return. Why? Why is this guy is returning good and she's supposed to be returning bad back, right?
Yeah.
So, they're gonna hate that. They're
Yeah.
gonna be like, what's happening? You pray for them, and despitefully, if someone has a nerve and the God to sue you and take everything you got, maybe he has some reason for it. Just show him your heart is right toward him. Give him more than we ask, more than he asked for. People cannot handle that. You know, when somebody like asking for food and you give it all, it's like she's gonna be shy. Oh no, that's enough, right? That's what it is in here, right? They cannot handle, like they take advantage and you give it all. It's kind of like so they gotta feel like what do you call that?
Goodness.
Karma, like God, goodness of karma. You know, they feel karma about it. So that's the right. Instead of fighting back, do good more, and they gonna stop for sure because they gonna feel like karma on themselves.
Oh, that's if they
Right?
do it.
But mostly that's what's happening. So if we do this pattern, we are on the right track. Okay? So these are good tips. We always experience this. We always, people are doing bad to us, and we always want to think to retaliate. But if we're gonna think of this, it's good. Because if we don't retaliate, we have prizes or gifts for us, and we're gonna be served as an anvil, absorb the bad hammering of bad people. Okay? Any question? No. It's hard? Easy.
Hard.
It's easy.
Not hard.
It's gonna be easy. That's why we're studying this. We should be different. Okay? I'll turn on.